Okay, let me tell you, we are solving the problem number 9, and this is revaluation account. Okay, and this is old partners capital account. Anil Sunil, right? Now, the name of the partners are Anil and Sunil. And please write particulars here. Anil and Sunil. Now, how to proceed with the solution? So first, we have bills payable. At present, we cannot do anything with it unless there is some adjustment. Then next, it is sundry creditors. That also we need to wait. There is a reserve fund and capital in the problem. So what we need to do is, first I write here, by balance brought down. That means under this type, we will be solving the problem as we go on reading the question. Wherever the treatment is to be done, we need to do it. So first, by balance brought down, I write 60,000 and 50,000. It is 60,000 and 50,000. The next is reserve fund. Can somebody tell me what is the new profit sharing ratio? Sorry, old profit sharing ratio?
2:1.
Okay, so reserve fund, in bracket I write 2:1. What is the amount?
9,000.
9,000. I think it will be 6,000 and 3,000 if you divide.
Yes, sir.
Just check. 9,000 into 2/3 and 9,000 into 1/3. Then next is, after this, on the asset side, we have assets. They will not be helpful to us unless there is some revaluation. But we need to keep in mind what is the cash balance. The cash balance, opening balance is 4,000, which is there in the balance sheet. You can see 4,000 rupees is the balance.
Yes, sir.
Then next, he should bring cash for capital rupees 40,000. This will be helpful to us if we prepare the new partner. Who is that new partner?
Vimal.
Vimal. Okay. So we prepare here Vimal capital account. Okay. And Vimal capital account, it will be first by cash account. You write that particulars and rupees. And what is the capital he has brought?
40,000
rupees. 40,000 is the amount of capital which he has brought. Okay, next. After this, next is, he should bring cash for capital 40,000 and goodwill 30,000. We know that goodwill should appear in the old partner's capital account. So we write here by goodwill account. And I hope in this problem also the sacrifice ratio is not given. As the sacrifice ratio is not given, we assume that they are distributing this goodwill in the old profit sharing ratio only. And what is old profit sharing ratio? It is
2:1.
Bracket we need to write sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio, which is equal to 2:1. Can somebody tell me how much will be distributed? Sorry, how much will be the amount if we distribute 30,000 in 2:1?
20,000 and 10,000.
Very good. It is 20,000 and 10,000. Very good. Now, let's go to the next adjustment. He says half of the goodwill amount is withdrawn by the old partners. Hope you remember we have solved the same case in the previous problem. For this, we need to come on the debit side and we need to write to cash account. To cash account. Now, what is the half of 20,000?
10,000.
10,000.
And what is the half of 10,000? That is 5,000. Because they have withdrawn half. If they have simply mentioned that goodwill is withdrawn by the partners, we would have taken directly 20,000 and 10,000. Now, next. Buildings are revalued at rupees 66,000. You check what was the building value earlier? Balance sheet में क्या है value building का?
56,000.
56,000, sir.
हाँ, increase हुआ है या decrease हुआ है?
Increase, sir.
Increase. So profit or loss?
Profit.
Profits.
Which side?
Credit side.
Credit, sir.
By building account, and the amount will be 10,000. In bracket I write 66,000 minus 56,000, so that you can understand, and even the valuator. Next is, and make provision for legal damages 700. We know that provision is a liability, right? And if it is
Yes.
created, it is a loss. So we write here to
Debit.
provision for legal damages. Okay, so provision for legal damages is 700. Next, to stock. Please provide the, see, I have kept a very less space, but here there are many items, so I am not writing working notes in the bracket. Please write the working note, that is 32,000 into 10 divided by 100, because they have asked to
100.
depreciate
3,000.
10%, so it becomes 1,200.
200.
Right,
Excuse me,
next.
sir.
2 motor car. Two motor car account. Yes,
Sir,
and in brackets you write 10,000 divided by 100.
100.
And the last one is 2 PDD, that is provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts, and that is to be provided 5%. Gaurav Daga, there is a disturbance in your mic. Please switch off the mic. If you are not answering and if you are not responding, there is no need to keep your mic on. You can switch off your mic. Now, next is 2 PDD, that is provision for doubtful debts. And today I am not hearing Nikhil Ladda's voice. Response, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
In bracket you write 30,000 into 5 by 100. Okay, 1,500. Somebody said, excuse me, any doubt you have?
So can you please check WhatsApp once? The students are
What?
unable to connect.
What?
The students are unable to connect to the video chat, sir.
Why? Because there are already 50 students who have been already connected.
They are messaging over there. You please check WhatsApp once.
Unable to connect. Now 50 students are already connected.
Sir, ಅದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಆಪ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅವ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್
ಒಂದ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪಿ. Like if you update, then only you can join ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು.
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Right? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಹಿತ ಹಾಕದ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗದ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ತೋರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಗೇನಲ್ವಿ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ let's continue. Let them view the recorded lecture today. Okay, now hope you have understood all these entries. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now, by looking at this revaluation account, I can easily understand that it is the credit side which is greater. So I take total of credit side, that is 10,000, which means that there will be a profit. So I keep the same total on debit side also as 10,000. Now, to old partners capital account. Just check what will be the difference. 2,500, 2,700, 5,700. It will be 6,400, I believe, total. And minus 10,000 will be 3,600.
3,600.
Very good. Exactly, 3,600. And next is Anil and Sunil. I think Anil will get 2,400 out of it, and Sunil will get 1,200.
Yes, sir. Yes, 1,200.
I did on the basis that he should get double of this because the ratio is 2:1. Hope you have completed it. And when it is on the left side, there it
Yes.
will be appearing on the right side. Then I will write here by revaluation account, and the amount will be 2,400 and 1,200. And after this, all the transactions are over. Even we can close partners capital account also. First, I think this will be 88,400. Just check the total of credit side. Very easy to do because
Yes,
60
sir.
plus 20, 80, 80 plus 6, 86 plus 2, 88, 88, 400. Then there 53, 63, 64, 200, I think.
64,200.
Right. And the same total should be kept here also. That is 88, 400 and 64, 200. And then it will be to balance carried down. To balance carried down. 88, 400 minus 10,000 will be 78,400.
70.
And 64, 200 minus 5,000 will be 59,200. Just check whether that. Exactly, okay. And this also we can easily close. We have the habit of closing it very easily. That is, we need to write to balance carried down. That will be 40,000. And the total will also be 40,000. Finished. Now, by the time we finish reading the problem, our problem also gets solved. Now, except balance sheet, we have nothing to do. We have finished everything. Finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you need time for noting, please let me know. Otherwise, I will erase it.
Wait, sir.
And once you finish, please let me know, so that I can proceed with the next type of problem. I think on the basis of this, you can easily solve your balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
Till other students note down, hope those all who have completed, can we complete the liability side of the balance sheet in your calculator?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, keep
So,
your calculator
so-
on. Keep your calculator on. First, 16,000 bills payable plus 5,000 sundry creditors plus that provision for legal damages. Just check how much it is.
700.
700 plus 700 plus this capitals. Anil is 78,400 plus 78,400 plus 59,200 plus 40,000.
1,99,000.
Yes, you can check the total in your answer. That is also same. 1,99,300. Right? Let's finish the asset side
Yes, sir.
also.
300.
First, cash is initially 4,000 plus 40,000 capital plus 30,000 goodwill minus 15,000 goodwill.
59,000.
Right? Okay. Next is how much it is? 59,000. Okay. Plus sundry debtors, it is 28,500 because there is some provision is there. So we need to
Yes,
deduct
sir.
plus 28,500.
Yes, sir.
Stock.
Yes.
Stock is 28,800 plus
20.
28,800. Then furniture 8,000 because there is no adjustment plus 66,000 building plus 9,000 motor car.
99,300, sir.
Exactly 1,99,300. Now hope you have understood how to solve this balance sheet. Also, I have given you all the amounts how to ascertain.
300.
So now, yes, 1,99,300. Very good. Now moving ahead. So up to ninth problem, what we solved, these all problems were on the concept where the goodwill was brought in cash. Where the goodwill was brought in cash and sometimes it was withdrawn and sometimes it was retained in the business only. Okay, so now after ninth problem, what all problems you will be receiving, these problems will be on the different concept, that is raised and written off. Raised and written off. For this reason, I want you to go back to the treatment of goodwill schedule what I have given you. Just go back to the theory part. I have given you a box wherein you wrote, like you noted down the treatment of goodwill with the help of a box. Whether you are back to that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, let's start. I have already explained it, but my intention is before you solve those problems, you should have idea of the treatment of goodwill, right? So now, there are two boxes you can see. The first one is only it is raised. The next one is raised and written off. Okay, raised and written off. So these are the two options which are available. Okay, now what you need to remember is goodwill will appear at two places. कितने प्लेस में appear होगा बताइए?
2 plus.
टू प्लेस, राइट? नाउ ये दो बार अपीयर होगा, आप ऐसा समझ लीजिए, दो जगह के बदले कितने बार अपीयर होगा? 2 बार. इट विल अपीयर ट्वाइस इन द अकाउंट्स. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज when it is raised in the partner's capital account. In the partner's capital account, on the credit side, it appears as by goodwill account. By goodwill account. And this will be distributed in which ratio?
Old ratio.
Over का मतलब क्या होता है? Old ratio. It will be distributed in old ratio. When it is raised, I'm speaking, when it is raised. Whereas, when it is raised and written off, first, in the partner's capital account on the credit side, it appears as by goodwill account. And in which ratio? Old ratio. Because even though it is raised and written off, first there is raised. So first the raised should be recorded here. And when it is written off in the same account, that is partner's capital account, on the debit side, it appears as to goodwill account, that is new ratio.
New ratio.
To goodwill account, new ratio. Right? And remember, when it is old ratio, the amount will be distributed to only old partners. When it is new ratio, it will be distributed to all partners. Because new ratio consists of all the partners. And I said, if you remember, goodwill will appear twice in the books. In this case, it is already over. It has appeared twice. Once it has appeared on the credit side of the partner's capital account, and the next it is appeared on the debit side of the partner's capital account. Now the question arises, here when it is raised, it has appeared only once in the partner's capital account. Then the second appearance will be where? Remember, it will be in the balance sheet. It will be in the balance sheet. And in the balance sheet, it will be appearing on the asset side. Yeah, in the balance sheet, it will be appearing on the asset side. Okay, but whereas here, the appearance of goodwill will not be there in the balance sheet. Okay, so what I have explained to you, it is mechanically. How logically this can be remembered? Remember, when the goodwill is raised, that means we have brought the goodwill in the business. When the goodwill is brought in the business, then definitely it should reflect in the balance sheet because that is already there. For example, if you have purchased a refrigerator, and brought it to your house, whether it will reflect in your assets or not, yes, definitely it will reflect in your house. In the same way, when you have brought the goodwill, definitely that should reflect on the asset side of the balance sheet. But whereas when you have brought the goodwill and when you have written off, that means you made it nil. What is called as written off? Written off is nothing but making that account nil. You already made that account nil, then there is no question of arising because that asset has vanished from your list. So there is no need of putting that in the balance sheet. So that's why when the goodwill is written off, the balance sheet will, the goodwill will never appear in balance sheet. And I request you to remember this line in your life. That's very, very, very important. That is whenever goodwill is written off, because it will be again knocking your head in the next chapter. That is retirement of partner. What you need to remember is if the goodwill is written off, then it will not appear in balance sheet. Hope you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, with this understanding, just once again you record this in your mind. That's very important, because if you know this very well, then solving the next problem becomes very easy. Right, rest all remains same. Only the treatment of goodwill will only change. Chalo, next. Come to the problem number 10. Problem number 10. Aarti and Bharti are partners in the firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31/3/2017 is as follows. They have given us balance sheet, bills payable, creditors. इनको देखेंगे अगर revaluation है तो we will see, otherwise not required. Then directly they will go to new balance sheet. Then capitals, Aarti and Bharti, they will appear in their respective capital accounts. And the next is cash, buildings, patents, machinery, debtors. Remember what has happened with debtor. There is already provision of rupees 600. Then stock 4,600. The next is on 1/4/2017, Jayanti is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. Now, Jayanti pays 20,000 as capital. Here you need to understand the line. Very important. Jayanti pays rupees 20,000 as capital, and next what they say, the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 20,000. Whether in the previous problem, if you check, ऊपर ही देखिए आप, ऊपर ही दो, ज्यादा मत दूर जाइए. He should bring, पहले ही first line को adjustment है देखिए. Just read that example. What they say, he should bring cash for capital 40,000 and 30,000 for goodwill. They clearly mentioned that he is going to bring in cash. But here, there is no term used as he will bring. They just mentioned that the goodwill of the firm is valued. Remember, this valued is nothing but raised. Right? या हमेशा याद रखिए, ये valued का मतलब क्या होता है? Raised. Okay. So goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 20,000 and goodwill account should not remain in books. You check in this too, where the goodwill amount does not remain in books, मतलब balance sheet में कहाँ reflect नहीं होता है देखिए.
Raised and written off.
हाँ, very good. Raised and written off. That means indirectly what he is saying is you need to raise the goodwill and written off. Okay. If जब raise होके write off होता है तभी goodwill will not appear in books of accounts. Next. Next is buildings are appreciated by 5,000 and machinery is depreciated by 20%. One will appear on credit side and the other will appear on debit side. Then PDD is increased by rupees 1,000. Okay, we will increase, no problem. Then the new profit sharing ratio between the partners is 5:3:2. Just try to recall, have you seen in any problem up to 9th problem where they have mentioned what is new profit sharing ratio? अब बताइए 9th प्रॉब्लम में तक कहां तो उन्होंने न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो दिया था क्या? देखिए, do you know why it was not given? Because it was not needed. But in this problem it is given. The reason for giving this new profit sharing ratio is, I said, आप देखिए raised and written off का section पे आइए, raised and written off. पहले रेस के लिए हमने क्या लिखा है, बाय गुडविल ओल्ड रेशो. नेक्स्ट डेबिट में क्या, डेबिट के लिए क्या लिखा है, टू गुडविल. व्हाट इज इन द ब्रैकेट?
New ratio.
New ratio.
हाँ, तो न्यू रेशो चाहिए ना. वो न्यू रेशो कहाँ है? वो न्यू रेशो हमारे प्रॉब्लम में है, उन्होंने दिया है, दैट इज 5:3:2. होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let us start solving the problem as we have finished all the adjustments. Right. So heading you put in the books of Aarti, Bharti and Jayanti. The three finest actors of Kannada film industry, Aarti, Bharti and Jayanti. In Gulbarga Bhasha, if we call them as heroine. They never call it as heroine. They call it as heroine. यार इधर heroine अंतर है. Now, let's start with the revaluation account. I hope we will be able to finish only this account because we are running out of time. Revaluation account. First, by bidding, account 5,000. Next is to machinery account. To machinery account. And what is the value of the machinery?
35,000.
35,000 into 20 divided by 100. That comes to 7,000. Next is to PDD, that is provision for doubtful debts. That is 1,000 because they have said increased by 1,000. So I have taken 1,000. If they have mentioned increased to 1,000, I would have taken just 400 rupees because already 600 is existing. Okay. So only 3 adjustments were there. If we close, you tell me which one is the highest side.
7th.
कौन से साइड पे अमाउंट ज्यादा है?
Credit side.
क्रेडिट साइड का आपको अमाउंट ज्यादा दिख रहा है.
Debit side.
अपने चश्मे को बदलिए. $8,000. Then you tell me whether it is profit or loss.
No, sir. Debit side.
Loss. Very good. So I write here by old partners capital account. It is 3,000. It is 3,000. In that, first is Aarti, 3,000 into 3 by 5 because the ratio is 3:2. I think it will be 1,800.
Yes, sir.
Just check whether it will be 1,800.
Last, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bharti, 3,000 into 2 by 5. That will be
1200.
1,200. Hope you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
It's a very simple revaluation account, not much complicated, and a very short one also. Only there are 3 adjustments. Mobile setting.